Okay, so I'm gonna pause this kid, and I'm gonna sing. I don't know. Hold on. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna sing tomorrow. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm gonna sing the song. I've been away for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your lovely face, I get the feelings in a silly place. Talk to my soul, never think on my nose. Wherever we go, I always know. You make me smile, please stay for a while now. Don't let you sigh, wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane, but we are hiding in a safer place. On the top of there, you take no more. Give me feeling that I enjoy. Stars in my toes, make me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know. You make me smile, please stay for a while now. Don't take your time, wherever it goes. What am I gonna say? You make me feel this way. I just Thoughts in my toes make me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know. You make me smile, please stay for a while now. Don't let you sigh, wherever you go. Been afraid for a while now. You tuck me in just like a child now. 'Cause every time I feel you in your arms, you're comfortable enough to feel your warmth. Stars in my soul and I lose all control. When you kiss my nose, the feeling shows. You make me smile, baby, for a time now. Let me sigh. Forever, wherever, wherever you go. Wherever, wherever, wherever you go. Wherever you go, I always know. You make me smile, even just for a while. Wow.